Dime mamacita. Dime mamacita. Dime mamacita. Dime mamacita. Dime mamacita. Dime mamacita.
Hello and welcome to a perfectly green outdoor setting, perhaps the ultimate place to take a look at this, the brand new HUAWEI Nova 13. Now, a lot of phones have got certain key attributes, but what about one which knocks it out of the park in terms of optics? We're talking the ultimate selfie, 100-watt fast charging, an affordable price point, as well as a selfie AI mode that's currently not found, particularly here in Mzansi, on any mid-range smartphone. That's reserved for only the top flagship. So when HUAWEI gave me this, the Nova 13, to take out of the box here and show you guys, I was extremely excited. You see, it's just recently launched in the country, and it packs a lot of potential, all at a seriously affordable price point. First thing when we unbox it is, you notice it's neat, it's premium, it's typically a HUAWEI device in the hand. It's got the Nova 13 branding, a couple of the specs here. This is 256 gigs of built-in memory, it's got 12 gigs of built-in RAM, and it's in a color known as Loden Green. You can also get it in a black color, but believe me, this Loden Green looks fantastic, exactly why I'm here in this green setting. Taking the device out, there it is in the hand. It's all nicely wrapped up. Of course, this is a brand new smartphone here, and it looks absolutely stunning. I'm excited to get it out. A jet black, gorgeous edge-to-edge display here. On the sides, you get this mirrored, smooth finish. Feels incredible in the hands. And over on the back here is where things really shine. The Nova branding, as well as this cloth sort of tartan style pattern done with the green shades. It's absolutely beautiful. You also notice the accentuated camera bump here, and over at the front, well, that we'll get onto in a moment. This is one of the ultimate selfie cameras. But what you also get in the box here, if we put that aside for a second, is your trays here. You've got your SIM pin ejection tool. HUAWEI include a cover case in the box here. It's a comfortable molded one, looks good, will obviously fit the phone perfectly. Let's put it on here just to see what it's like. Perfect, doesn't take away from the gorgeous image or the dimensions, doesn't keep it bulky either. What you also get here, well, is a large wall power brick. So if we take this out, it's HUAWEI's supercharged power adapter, but the big one here is it's got USB-A and USB-C. The point we need to talk about is this 100-watt ultra fast charging. We're talking taking your phone out, flattening the battery, getting it home, and within 10 minutes having 80%. It's ultimate all-day performance from its large battery here, measuring in some 5,000 odd milliamp hours. You take that with the massively fast charging, and well, you're in for a treat with this Nova 13. It also, of course, comes with this. It is a USB-C to A quick charge cable, and just a couple of instructional manuals in here. That's about it. So with all this being said, let's jump into spending a bit of time using HUAWEI's all-new Nova 13. got the phone out of the box, what about taking a quick look around the operating system? You see, it's running Huawei's very own EMUI overlay here. It's neat, it's clean, it's smooth to the touch. I love the edge-to-edge display here. The OLED is sharp, and you get a wealth of apps available. That's Huawei's own built-in apps. You, of course, get the Huawei Marketplace with a continuously growing app development base. You can get the likes of Gbox for all your Google-based apps. You've got Petal Maps. You can, of course, jump into some of your key features here, such as the camera. The camera on this phone is excellent, extremely sharp optics with a ton of different shooting modes. With 50 megapixels, you get the likes of Pro Mode, a slow mode, super macro, for instance, high resolution, even a time-lapse and story creator mode. But where, of course, things also come to life is, well, the selfie camera. So there's me filming, and let's snap a selfie or two. But to show you how good the detail is, let's first snap a regular one. And that face doesn't look fantastic, however this one looks a lot better. Straight away there, the AI has retouched the image. Now this is incredible, particularly with this phone coming in at a really affordable price point. We really are looking at an incredible phone here from Huawei with this all new Nova 13.